Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I refresh my straightened hair. As you can see, it's kind of just all over the place. I'm just going to take it down real quick so you can see it. I had it up so it just looks like a lot. It's a lot happening here. And it like clumps together because it's oily, and we're gonna try to, fix this. Make it stretch out a little bit more. I actually need to comb through it. As you can see, it has some lumps and bumps from being up in a bun slash ponytail. Okay, a little bit more better. So as you can see, it kind of just like clumps together. Like this section's clumping together. It's because it's oily. And yeah, we need to fix that. See, I feel like if I run my fingers through it, it shouldn't be clumping together like that. See, like that's a no-no. You shouldn't be clumping together. That's a lot of oils what's happening there. So we're gonna fix that. I believe my hair has been straight for a little over a week now, and I just want to stretch it out for a couple more days. And yeah, because I'm not ready to wash it yet, so that's where this comes in. So today I'm going to be using the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. It says that it has instant results, it absorbs excess oils, leaves no residue, and has fresh volume. I have the unscented. It also says that it has no water, so my hair shouldn't get curly after using this. To use it, it says shake vigorously, spray generous amount on roots and throughout hair. If needed, working with your fingers. Brush through to diffuse the powder and watch it absorb any excess oils. Style as desired and enjoy your newly freshened hair. So, we're about to go in and try this bad boy. Section off the back part of it. This much, and clip up the rest. I guess we can work like that. These two half sections. Shake her up. Alright, so we're just going to start off by spraying on the roots, and I'm going to bring it down. I'm just going to use a wide tooth comb because I don't have a brush. Maybe I should do half of my hair. That's what I'll do, so that I can compare them to. That's what I'll do. So then I'll take another piece down. I don't know if it instantly feels refreshing because it's cool from the spray, but I don't know, I'm feeling some things. So I've done this side, and it's shiny, and as you can remember when I was doing this earlier, it was clumping together, and that's kind of not happening anymore, and it feels softer, especially up in here where I actually focused the spray on. This is what the other side looks like, just for comparison. This is the side that I did, and this is the other side that's doing a thing. That's what's happening on this side, but not so much on this side. You can just instantly, you can see the difference. So I'm just gonna do this side so that it matches this side. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it looks straighter than it was earlier, even after I combed out that mess. It just looks so much straighter, and it's softer too, I will say. Shiny and flowy. So I got some extra time on my hair. I guess you can use dry shampoo as much as you want. I just need it for a couple more days because I'm feeling really lazy. Just up until right before the new year, I'm just gonna go to work with my hair straight still, and then when I come back, I'll like go back to curly because I actually want to try a twist out. That's going to be next. But for now, I just wanted to stretch this just a little bit longer so I don't have to deal with my hair. Because we all know wash days and twist outs and all that is a whole process. And I'm just not ready to do it yet. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave your comments down below. And be sure to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in the next video.